using a comparator function to sort. So I'm working with a few pre-existing comparators that compare certain values in two tuples and return true if the first is greater than the second, false if otherwise. Here's the code for one of them. Now, I have a dictionary that has numerous tuple entries of the type being compared above. I want to sort them all in reverse order, but I don't really understand how I would accomplish that. I was thinking something like, but I don't know what to pass into the comparator because each comparator takes two arguments, subinfo1, subinfo2. I cannot change the comparator functions.
You're passing the comparator as the key function. You should be passing it as the CMP, wrapped in some kind of function that turns it into a proper comparator. Although actually, you should be using key functions. Also note that sortedict will not actually be a dict, so the name is rather confusing.
In Python 3, there is no CMP argument for the sorted function, nor for list.sort. According to the docs, the signature is now sorted, iterable, asterisk, key equals none, reverse equals false, so you have to use a key function to do a custom sort. The docs suggest use functools.cmp_to_key to convert an old-style CMP function to a key function. Here's an example. However, your function doesn't conform to the old CMP function protocol either, since it returns true or false. For your specific situation, you can do using the make_comparator function from @fredfoo's answer.
The answer of @Kaya3 is correct. I just propose another implementation in which we can use Boolean for the comparator.
I don't know how does the answer of @Tuan work. However, it may fail in complex situations. Consider this comparison. Each element is a tuple with two dimension. Element A is less than B if one of two conditions met. 1, A, 0, is less than B, 0. 2, A, 0, equals B, 0, and A, 1, B, 0. Therefore, 1, 2, is lower than 2, 1, 1, 2, is lower than 1, 1. Try the following snippets. As you can see, the result of class character is wrong.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.